So who's your favorite actor?
Favorite actor in Kannada or like
Your favorite?
favorite? Punit.
Puneet. Namore. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sahana.
And where are you from?
I'm from Hassan.
Hassan.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a good place, I think,
Yeah.
right? I've heard about Hassan and all,
Yeah.
but I've never been there. So what do you do for a living?
I'm student actually currently studying.
You're currently studying?
Yeah.
What are you studying?
MSc Data Science.
Okay, so which college?
Reva.
Reva.
Yeah.
My Reva. I stay here only. I'm very nearby, so I reach random people like you and ask them for my, photos. So, what's your favorite song?
Nadiyo Paris Karda Jana.
Oh yeah, my Janvi Kapoor. Janvi
yeah,
Kapoor,
yeah,
recent
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Huh? Okay. It's a routine thing. You go to gym, you come back to your PG or what?
PG, I'm
You're
staying in PG. Yeah.
Okay. So I know this PG, right? Somewhere over here.
PG Street.
Yeah, it's all PGs.
Yeah.
So how long are you staying in Bangalore?
4-5 years.
For 5
Actually,
years?
I did BSc Honors in that college only, and now I'm continuing the MSc in the same college.
Okay, that's good. Let's start.
Okay.
So I'm going to tell you random things. Okay, you can give me random poses.
Okay,
I keep on clicking, okay?
Okay,
It won't take much long.
Okay.
It'll be fast,
Okay,
okay?
okay.
Why don't we come here? Because the lights,
Okay. Yeah.
the more the lights, the
Yeah,
more
yeah.
you get highlighted,
Okay.
right? Yeah. Yeah, that's keep changing, keep changing. Give me something. You can do anything you want. I'll track you, I'll take multiple photos.
Okay.
You won't believe it will happen very soon. Okay? Think any poses. You can sit, you can stand, you can jump, you can dance, anything you want. I'll follow you. I'll just show you, okay, some of the photos. Like, how it's come. We did something good, actually. See? It has come so lovely over here. And see this thing. You're exhausted also. Yeah, thank you for your,
Tell me
cooperation.
your Instagram page.
Yeah, it's Anil Clicks TM. So my name is Anil TM. You can search me anywhere. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. In the name of Anil TM.
Okay.
You'll get my contents, my short movies.
Share these photos to me.
I'll
Okay.
definitely share. This will come good.